Hey moms, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and this video is going to be all about cloth diaper problem solving. So I wanted to talk about stubborn stains, stubborn smells, and then what we do for poop problems. So let's just jump right in with the first topic, which is going to be stubborn stains. So as you might know from my previous video about my cloth diaper wash routine, I use these Bum Genius Free Time all-in-one cloth diapers made by Cotton Babies. They're really nice because the inserts are actually attached to the cover, but whether you use pocket style diapers or all-in-ones like this, the stain removal techniques that I use should be the same for any cloth diaper. So basically what I do is when I wash my cloth diapers, sometimes I'll take them out of the washing machine and maybe none of them will have stains, maybe one or two will have stains. And if they do, when they're still wet, I'll take the cloth diapers and set them outside on like a towel, an old towel or a sheet or something, and I'll set them in the sun. And the sun is amazing at bleaching out your cloth diapers. So I'll just lay them flat like this, let them dry with the heat of the sun, and it works like magic. As soon as they're dry, I'll go get them and they're bleached out. All the stains are gone. So I'd say that works about 90% of the time. But the other 10% of the time, I'll go out and get my cloth diapers from drying in the sun, and they'll still have a stain or two on them. And so then what I use for that is just regular old Shout. This is just the Shout Triple Action that I got from Walmart, and I will spray this right on the cloth diaper and put it back in my Ubby diaper pail. And then next time I wash my diapers, they will be soaked in the Shout for a few days at that point, and I'll wash them and they'll come out, and I've never had a stain that didn't come out in the sun or from the Shout. And so I'd recommend the sun technique first, but if it doesn't work, then just turn to your Shout from your laundry room. So the next topic I wanted to talk about is stubborn smells. So you may have heard about a technique called stripping your cloth diapers. Basically what happens after a while is, even if you are doing a really good job washing your cloth diapers with a strong detergent, they will still retain some smell. And so what I do for my stripping technique is two secret ingredients that are not very secret. But the first one is before I get into the ingredients, let me just talk about the routine. So I will use all 24 of my cloth diapers in the set and wash them all together so that we can strip them all at the same time. So wash them all together just like normal, and then rather than hang them up to dry, I will put them back in my top loader washing machine and add two ingredients. So the first one is going to be 1 tablespoon of this Dawn dish detergent, which may sound crazy, but this stuff works wonders. And all you need is 1 tablespoon of this. Put it in your water. If you don't have a top loader washing machine, I recommend just using like a Rubbermaid bin or something like that. Fill it with water, put in your tablespoon of Dawn, and a half a cup of regular bleach, which may sound crazy, but I promise you, at least for the Bum Genius brand cloth diapers and probably others as well, it won't bleach your covers. So half a cup of this bleach, tablespoon of Dawn, put it in your wash, and then put all 24 or however many cloth diapers you have into that soaking solution and let it soak for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, drain it, and then you're gonna have to rinse it at least 3 times, which makes it easy if you have a top loader washing machine. You just keep putting it on a rinse or a wash cycle with no soap, but just keep doing it over and over at least 3 times, and that will get all of the suds from the Dawn out of your cloth diapers. So you should only have to do this about once every 6 months, but it really does work to get that like residual scent stink out of your cloth diapers. And so the last topic I wanted to talk about is my poop removal techniques. So in the beginning, when baby was just on a liquid diet, poop was not a problem at all. You all know that you can basically put the liquid diet poop right in the washing machine and it will come out. But once baby starts eating solid foods, you're gonna have more solid poop, and you can't put that in your washing machine. So you need to find another technique. So at first what we were doing is we would just kind of like take a wipe and scrape it into the toilet and then put our diaper in the Ubby Diaper Pal. But it was a very dirty process. You always end up with poop on your hands, maybe on your wrists. It was not fun at all. And so we needed to find something else to make this a little less gross. Some people use the toilet sprayer, but I've heard that trying to spray your diapers can splash it everywhere too, which then you end up with another mess. And so I did not want to use the toilet sprayer. So what we decided to do was use liners. But if you go on Amazon and look for cloth diaper liners, you'll find that they are pretty expensive for what you're getting. And yeah, so we didn't want to spend a lot of extra money on this liner situation. So I did some research and I found that a lot of moms actually use a type of paper towel as their liner. And the brand of paper towel is called Viva Strong and Soft, and this is the Selecta-Size Viva paper towels. You have to get the Selecta-Size or else you're going to be cutting your, or I guess they call it choose-a-size, or else you're going to be cutting your paper towels in half, which is too much work. So get this choose-a-size or choose-a-sheet Viva paper towels, and they're amazing because they're actually more like a cloth than they are a paper towel. And so this is what they look like, and you just pull it off, and they are the perfect size to go right into your cloth diaper, like so, and then put it right on baby. And then it's really nice because if baby poops, this paper towel will catch the poop, but if baby pees, it won't tear in your cloth diaper. It'll stay in place, and the pee will just soak through the paper towel into your cloth diaper inserts there. So yeah, these Viva paper towels have worked really well. They're really inexpensive, and I think that they are the perfect solution for dealing with the poop. Now, don't flush these down the toilet. Make sure that when baby poops, you fold it up, put it in the trash, because these are not going to be good for your sewer. But they are good for convenience. So yeah, highly recommend that. And that's pretty much it. So I hope that this video was helpful for all of you. And if it was, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I will see you next time. Take care.